Well, welcome back, Maniacs. John, Jim, Maniacs Garage. Animated video. Intro. Right there. All right, guys, so today we're working on the 62 Mercury Monterey. Got the motor in last week or so into the car, and we got a few things to do today, right, Jim?
Well, today we're going to do a repair on the rocker arm bolt hole.
Why do you have all this garb on?
Well, you know, last time I got into something like this, last time I did something like this, I ended up in the ER with the worst pain ever. Yeah. I really did. And, you know, I never had a baby, and I never will.
But that's what it must feel like.
It hurt. So scratched up my eye, had metal in it, so hence the proper PPE and shield. Now I did have the proper glasses on, but I looked down at the wrong time last time and got metal right in the eye.
All right, let's get to it. What are we working on here today?
So like I said, we're working on the rocker arm bolt hole. We're going to repair that with a key insert.
Well, what happened to it though?
Stripped out. So the original repairer of the head, they did a shoddy job with a crooked helicoil. So we're going back and making it right.
So what's this thing called?
Yeah, so this is called a key insert. Drill it out, tap, thread it in, and then you push down on these tangs with a special tool, and it really locks it in there.
Yeah, and check out the killer setup right here. So we got the old shop vac on blow mode, so it's pressurizing the intake area of the engine. Theoretically, blowing the metal shavings, chips out this way into your eye. Hopefully not into your eye. That's on the chopping block for today. And what else we got going on today for this thing? Because we really got to get this thing started, man, one of these days.
Yeah, so we're gonna throw the starter in, speaking of starting, and then we have the battery tray and battery, throw that in, and then we're going to work on the alternator bracket and get the power steering pump cleaned up, painted, and get that installed today too.
All right, well, hey, let's get started. But before we do, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. We do have a few usuals. We'll be mentioning those guys here pretty soon because we really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching our videos. Boop, boop. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get started.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com and check out the merch we have. We have t-shirts, hats, decals, we even have a backpack. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Well, let's get back to this video.
Let me clean that up and see what it looks like. I think I'm in. All right, so we got the rocker arm bolt hole fixed right here. We're ready to put the rocker arm assembly back in. Key insert was successful. Really happy with how it came out.
You sound very excited about that.
Yeah. You know, when I torque it and it's all good, I'll be.
We'll see the dance.
Oh, you want to see the dance? All right, we'll put the rocker arm in, and hopefully you get to see the dance.
Jim, we finally got the valve cover on, which means
we're back to exactly where we started.
And hi, by the way, I did join the guys here today. I got things situated at home. Jim did all the hard work today. Wow. But it's on. It's on. It's together. What are we gonna do next, Jim?
We're gonna go headers. What do you guys think?
I saw a nod.
We got goodies here, guys. Check it out. What is in that bubble wrap?
Looks pretty big.
Right, so. Ooh. Oh, Mr. One Wheel. All right, some new headers. Try to install these bad boys.
Hope they fit.
Well, yeah, that's the idea. Wow.
Is that for a big block?
So this is definitely coming up from the bottom.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, Jim's going in from down under.
Okay, that was weird.
Gonna try snaking that header up from the bottom.
Yeah.
Right here between the starter and the side of the car frame.
Looks easy. Yeah.
What have I been saying? I've been saying
Yep.
I hate headers.
You need the creeper? Oh, never mind, you broke it. Hey, are you stuck?
Nope. Why is that?
Oh, jeez.
It wasn't as bad underneath, but it was bad.
Okay.
There it goes. So it looks like we're gonna have to take that starter out either way.
Really?
Oh, you want to try again before we pull the starter off? Those 3 bolts are really tough.
Are they?
No.
Oh.
Do you want me to hand you that header and see if that one snakes up through?
Come away over here more than over there.
Oh, look at that. From here, it looks like the vacuum line is the only thing that's really in your way. If you tipped it like that, you should be able to come straight up through.
We're hitting the ground too, though.
Yeah, that's not gonna work that way. All right, the starter's out. Trying this again.
Here. Going back up here.
Oh, all right. We're gonna try it from up here.
Yep.
Okay.
One-handed by filming.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing at the moment.
Oh, easy peasy, dude.
No, that's it.
Oh. Hey Jim, why do you have the engine hoist back out again, man?
Do we have to talk about it?
Nope.
Okay.
So in order to fit these headers, we're gonna try lifting the engine up a couple inches and see if that lets us snake them in. Because headers are fun.
You would have put them on to begin with, it'd have been fine.
Maybe.
Who knows? We don't know.
You're dirty, man.
Yeah.
You're a hard
Dirty.
worker, bro.
Dirty day today.
You're a hard worker. All right, so got room now?
I don't know.
It only gave us about an inch.
Dude, anticipation.
So close. Ooh, denied.
Mmm.
Kit.
We can come this way a little bit.
Okay. Do that.
That's about it.
There
Okay.
you go, there you go.
That's
Hold on, calm your chickens before the hitch.
it. Woohoo!
How it is gonna work, dude.
But this engine's even higher right now than it's gonna be when it sits down.
Yep.
And we're already sitting on this cross member and we're not forward enough.
Yep. There's no way.
No. In typical fashion with this car, or this engine at least, we're defeated once again.
Success. Look at, got the grommet in. It's about all I got done today, but it was a good day.
I see a little sweat, Jim. A little warm in here? Yeah?
Not even.
Not too bad, only 92 today. Nice.
2 grommets, baby, 2! This episode today was brought to you by Mountain Dew.
Well, time to wrap up this episode.
I feel somewhat defeated today. Not the first time with this car. It's not even mine.
Hey, I share.
So here we are at the end of the episode, and we hope to have better news, but unfortunately, kind of how the way it goes with this 62 Mercury, we literally do take 2 steps forward, 1 step back, or whatever.
So let's talk success.
So yeah, let's talk
Success.
success.
So success was, we repaired the rocker arm bolt hole. It's super solid, it's Ford. It's not going anywhere.
No. Definitely good confidence that
Good confident. We put in 2 grommets in the valve covers. So successes.
And that's 3 wins. We count that 3 wins.
Yeah, 3 wins.
We have 1
we can
small
go
loss.
3.5. We did figure out how to get the headers fed up into place, even though they didn't fit. We figured out how to get them in when we do get the right ones.
Yeah, so
And that's the giveaway. The headers are not the right ones, so they do not fit. They do not clear the cross member at the bottom. Back to the drawing board on that. So if you guys actually know something that would fit a 62 Mercury Monterey, drop it in the comments, because we'll be looking at those at this point, because we're at a bit of a loss. So thanks guys for watching us, following us, all that good stuff. yeah, let's wrap it up.